how to send friends and family money or payments on PayPal. First, you gotta head to paypal.com and sign into your account. And then you gotta click on the send button here at the top. Now you have to basically enter name, username, email, or phone of your friend or family to receive the payment. For example, you can use also the recent transactions. And now you gotta specify the amount that you want to send and press next. And from this page here, you should be able to switch the payment type where it says goods and services payment. You should see a drop down button next to it like this one, where you will be able to select the transaction or payment type. Now, if you don't see that, that means your account doesn't support sending transactions to family and friends, and it only supports goods and services. It's only supported in certain countries, so it's not for every PayPal account user. And once you've switched it from here, you can scroll down and just click on the complete payment transaction here, and this should send them the money as family and friends if you're able to switch it from here. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.